What if I told you that while you're sleeping tonight, someone else could be making money? And I'm not talking about your boss or some billionaire. I'm talking about regular people who've set up income streams that work 24/7. The best part? You can do it too. Today, I'm breaking down 5 realistic ways to make money while you sleep. No get-rich-quick schemes, no crypto gambling, just proven methods that actually work. Let's get into it. Before we start, let's be clear about what passive income really means. It's not about making money without doing any work. That's a myth. Passive income means you do the work once and then earn money repeatedly from that effort. You build the system, then it runs with minimal maintenance. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in effort upfront, digging, planting, watering, but once that tree is grown, it gives you fruit year after year without replanting. So let's talk about 5 trees you can plant that'll pay you while you sleep. The first way to make money while you sleep is through dividend stocks. Here's how it works. When you own shares of certain companies, they pay you a portion of their profits every quarter. This is called a dividend, and you get paid just for owning the stock. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you buy 100 shares of Coca-Cola at $60 per share. That's a $6,000 investment. Coca-Cola pays a dividend of about 3% per year. That means every year you'll receive $180 in dividends, paid directly to your account. 4 times a year, while you sleep. Now $180 doesn't sound life-changing, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of spending those dividends, you reinvest them to buy more shares. This is called compound growth. If you invest $500 per month into dividend stocks with an average 8% return, which includes both dividends and stock price growth, after 20 years you'd have over $294,000. And that portfolio would be paying you roughly $8,800 per year in dividends alone. The beautiful thing about dividend investing is it's truly passive. Once you buy the stocks, you don't have to do anything. The companies keep paying you quarter after quarter. Open a brokerage account with Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Look for established companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends. These are called dividend aristocrats. Start with broad dividend ETFs like VYM or SCHD if you want instant diversification. The key is to start early and be consistent. Even $100 a month adds up over time. The second way is creating digital products. Digital products are things you create once and sell unlimited times with no inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing costs. Here are the most profitable types. If you have knowledge about something, fitness, cooking, budgeting, photography, parenting, you can write an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website. A 50-page ebook might take you 2 to 3 weeks to write, but once it's done, it can sell for years. Price it at $10, sell 5 copies a day. That's $1,500 per month. While you sleep. This is bigger than ebooks. If you're skilled at something, Excel, graphic design, playing guitar, speaking Spanish, record video lessons and sell them on Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. You create the course once. It sells forever. Some course creators make $5,000 to $50,000 per month from courses they made years ago. Are you good at Excel? Create budget templates or business tools. Good at design? Create resume templates, Instagram story templates, Canva templates. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. A $15 template that took you 3 hours to make can sell hundreds of times. If you're into photography or videography, upload your content to stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5. Every time someone downloads your photo or video, you earn money. Photographers make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month from their stock photo portfolios. Creating digital products isn't instant. You'll spend weeks or months creating the product. Then you need to market it. Social media, SEO, email lists, ads. But once it's set up and selling, it's truly passive income. You wake up to sales notifications, money coming in 24/7. The best part, you're not trading time for money anymore. Whether you sell 1 copy or 1,000 copies, the work you did is the same. The third method is rental income. And I'm not just talking about buying houses. Yes, buying a rental property is one of the most proven wealth building strategies. You buy a house or apartment, rent it out, and collect monthly payments. If you buy a $300,000 property with a $60,000 down payment and rent it for $2,000 per month, and your mortgage and expenses are $1,600, you're making $400 per month in cash flow. That's $4,800 per year. But the real money is in appreciation and equity. Over 20 years, that property might be worth $600,000, and you'll have paid off most of the mortgage. That $60,000 investment could turn into $400,000 or more. The downside? It requires significant capital upfront, and it's not completely passive. You'll deal with maintenance, repairs, and tenants. But here are easier alternatives. Already have a house or apartment? Rent out a spare bedroom on Airbnb or to a long-term tenant. This requires almost zero upfront investment and can bring in $500 to $1,500 per month depending on your location. Don't want to deal with tenants or toilets? Invest in REITs. These are companies that own and manage real estate. Apartment buildings, shopping centers, office buildings. You buy shares just like stocks, and they pay you dividends from the rental income they collect. Many REITs pay 4 to 6% annual dividends. You can start with as little as $100 and invest through any brokerage account. It's truly passive, no maintenance, no tenant calls at 2 a.m. Own a car you don't use every day? Rent it out on Turo or Getaround. People make $500 to $2,000 per month renting out their cars when they're not using them. Got a camera, drone, power tools, camping gear, or party equipment? Rent it out on Fat Llama or peer-to-peer rental platforms. Your stuff makes money while sitting in your garage. The key with rental income is this: you're using assets you already have or assets you acquire to generate ongoing cash flow. It's one of the oldest forms of passive income for a reason. It works. The fourth way to make money while you sleep is affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You recommend products or services. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Simple as that. The beauty of affiliate marketing is you don't need to create products, handle customer service, or manage inventory. You're just the connector. Make videos reviewing products, doing tutorials, or sharing recommendations. Put your affiliate links in the description. When people watch your video at 3 a.m. and buy, you earn money while you sleep. Tech reviewers, fitness influencers, and finance creators make $5,000 to $100,000 per month from affiliate commissions. Write articles that rank on Google. Product reviews, comparison guides, best of lists. When people search and find your article, click your links, and buy, you earn. Some bloggers make $10,000 to $50,000 per month entirely from affiliate income. Their articles from 3 years ago are still generating sales today. Build an email list in a specific niche. Send valuable content weekly with relevant product recommendations. Your subscribers trust you, they buy, you earn commissions. Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Share useful content with affiliate links. Fashion, home decor, tech, fitness, whatever you're interested in. Amazon Associates. 1 to 10% commission on everything Amazon sells. Share a sale. Thousands of brands across every niche ClickBank, digital products with 50 to 75% commissions, individual company programs. Many companies have their own affiliate programs with better rates. Affiliate marketing takes time to build. You need to create content consistently for months before seeing serious income. You need an audience that trusts you, but once you've built that foundation, it's incredibly passive. Your old content keeps working for you. Links you shared a year ago still generate commissions. The key is to promote products you actually believe in and would use yourself. Your audience can smell fake recommendations from a mile away. The fifth way to make money while you sleep is through content creation, specifically YouTube or blogging. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this the least passive thing ever? Here's the thing. Creating content requires work up front, yes. But here's what makes it passive. When you upload a YouTube video or publish a blog post, it can generate income for years. A video you made 2 years ago can still get views today, and every view generates ad revenue. Videos you filmed once are working for you 24/7, showing ads and earning money while you sleep. The same with blog posts. An article you wrote in 2023 can still rank on Google in 2026, bringing in traffic and ad revenue every single day. Ad revenue. YouTube pays you for ads shown on your videos. Depending on your niche, you can make $2 to $30 per 1,000 views. Sponsorships. Companies pay you to mention their product. Even small channels get $500 to $5,000 per sponsored video. Affiliate marketing. Include links to products you mention. Earn commissions on sales. Your own products. Sell courses, ebooks, or coaching to your audience. One successful YouTube channel can generate $5,000 to $100,000 plus per month from multiple income sources. Write SEO-optimized articles that rank on Google. Monetize with display ads through Google AdSense or Mediavine. Add affiliate links. Sell digital products. Food bloggers, finance bloggers, and tech bloggers regularly make $10,000 to $100,000 per month from blogs they've built over 2 to 5 years. This is not fast money. It takes 6 to 12 months of consistent posting before you see meaningful income. You might make $0 for the first few months, but if you stick with it, you build an asset that generates income automatically. Your library of content works for you while you sleep, while you travel, while you focus on other projects. The best time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. Let's recap the 5 ways to make money while you sleep. 1. Dividend investing. Let companies pay you for owning their stock. 2. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. 3. Rental income. Use assets to generate cash flow. 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions recommending products. 5. Content creation. Build a library that works 24/7. Here's the truth. None of these will make you rich overnight. They all require effort up front, but that's exactly what makes them real. The people making serious passive income didn't get lucky. They chose 1 or 2 of these methods, stayed consistent for months or years, and built something that now pays them while they sleep. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one method from this list, just one, and take action this week. Open that brokerage account, outline that ebook, record your first YouTube video, research REITs, sign up for an affiliate program. If you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on building multiple income streams. Drop a comment and tell me, which method are you going to start with? I read every single comment and I'll reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Before we start, I put together a free PDF called The Money Leaks Checklist and a Tamas 2025 edition. It breaks down the 10 biggest places people lose money without realizing it and how you can plug those leaks today. If you want to stop wasting cash and redirect it into savings or investments, grab it free. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Download it now. It takes 10 seconds, and it pulling glance through persuasive. And it might be the most profitable thing you do today.